to my channel. This is Aaliyah, back of the ballet. Today we're making ice cream. Let me tell you something. I love ice cream. Do you? My mom and my dad love ice cream. Me too. Now I'm going to tell you how to make ice cream. Now let's get started. Okay everyone. We are putting all the ingredients inside this Ziploc bag. Oh, I need help. Mama, may you help me?
Sure. Okay, go ahead and hold it open for me like this. Okay, first we're going to put in the sugar.
Good. And what else, Mama?
Vanilla
and
extract.
Vanilla. And half and half?
Yes.
The half and half. Pour it in there. And
Cream.
cream. And when we're done with that, what to do? Put it inside the ice.
We need to close it first. Go ahead and close it.
First you gotta close it.
Very tight.
Now we're putting it inside the ice. Now let's do it. Now let's get started. Everyone, we're putting ice inside the bag. Now let's get started.
Not sauce. Salt. Salt.
Salt.
Yes, good job. And there we go.
What else do we need, Mama? And put this inside the big bag. And Mama, may you help me get some more ice out?
Yes, ma'am. Open it. Let's put some ice on top of it, too.
When we're done with that, we'll get the leaves of it.
A little bit more. That's it. Go ahead and close it.
Now we'll get the leaves of it. First we need to lay this. And wrap it like a baby. Like almost. That's too heavy. That's too heavy, everyone. We gotta take it for 5 minutes. And I can take it all around the plates. It's almost time. Keep taking. Almost time, guys. Be patient.
5 minutes later.
5 minutes is up. Let's check it out. Whoa! The ice cream is like so ready. And we don't even need a towel because Mama's giving it away. Mama, may you help me get some ice cream, please?
Yes, I can. Go ahead and open it.
Wow, so good.
Look, show everyone.
Everyone, you see? You see the Lucky Charms? Now let's put some ice cream inside the cup. When we're done with that, let's put some Lucky Charms.
Who's gonna eat this ice cream?
Aaliyah. Wow. Now let's put some Lucky Charms. We need to squeeze it a little. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! You see that, everyone? Look at that, everyone! I never seen that. I never got a big ice cream before.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness. Now we're gonna put some Lucky Charms, everyone. Now let's put some Lucky Charms. I'm trying to decorate it. Now let's keep putting some in there. And we'll put the whole thing because there's a little bit. Literally if it's false, but you can always pick it up. Now let's taste it. Mmm! This is really good. The ice cream is so good with Lucky Charms. And if you want to make the different kind of ice cream, you can at home. If you want to make the same thing like me, you can if you want. If you don't, you can't. You can even make some different ice cream. And it's so delicious. And all of us love to eat ice cream. My mom, my dad, and me love to eat ice cream. Back there's ballet. I hope you can see that house back there. And the head is like relaxing when I'm just talking because I love to eat ice cream. First you gotta eat lunch, breakfast. If you eat all your food, you get a snack. If you don't eat all your food, you don't. And we love to do that. We don't love to save it for later because we don't. Make sure kids don't leave some food when you're trying to eat breakfast. Okay, kids? You gotta eat all of it and you can grow big. Like anyone else, if you know. And it's so delicious. And I love it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.